Hi guys, welcome to Monique Kitchen Addiction. It's your girl, the only Monique with the double KK. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys two ways to make scrambled egg. Okay, one is my recipe, and the other recipe was created by my brother. And then we are going to garnish this with fried ripe plantain. So before we start cooking, let me quickly show you guys the ingredients that we are using to make this scrambled egg, and you're going to tell me the one you preferred more, maybe mine or the one of my bro. Okay, no cheating. So I'm going to be using cherry tomatoes. Okay, you can make use of the big seed tomatoes, but I mostly love cherry tomatoes. I slice it to my preferred shape. I just cut them into two big size. So I'm using two onions and scotch bonnet. Okay, and I just sliced the scotch bonnet and then the onions. I am using crayfish. I handpicked them because of the dirt in it. Okay, and I'm using salt and stock cube. I'm using sunflower oil. These are the ingredients that I'm using to prepare my the first to cook. Okay, and this is the quantity of eggs that I will be using. These are Monique recipe and Monique ingredients. So after mine, the second one is going to be the one of my brother. Now I place a pan of fire, leave it to hot for some sec, and I'm going to pour in sunflower oil. So I'm going to be making use of two of these. So I'm just going to check if the sunflower is hot enough, so it's okay to my taste. I'm going to gently pour in the crayfish. Then I'm going to pour in the sliced onions. I'm going to stir fry. At this point, I lower my gas so the crayfish won't get burnt. Okay, so if this is your first time using this method of frying crayfish, you have to lower your gas or switch it off. Now I'm going to stir, then gently pour in the sliced cherry tomatoes. And scotch bonnet. So I'm going to stir again. Like, don't mind me, you all know I love to stir food. This is just one good attitude. Let me say it's good, but my siblings always say it's bad attitude, but I love to stir food. It's just part of me. I love it. I love to stir and taste. Okay, so now I'm just going to keep stir frying for like some minutes. Then I'm going to add in salt and one stock cube. We are using just one stock cube for this recipe. After that, I am going to leave it to stir fry for 5 minutes. As you can see, it's well fried now. It looks moist now. So this is how I want it. Give it a taste to see if the salt, the stock cube is okay. Now I am going to pour in the whisked egg. After pouring it in, I am going to cover it. Before that, I am going to lower my gas and cover it. So why am I covering egg? I'm going to cover it because I really want the egg to come out really scrambled. So I'm going to cover it since I'm cooking it on a low heat. I'm going to cover it so it will eat very well and cake to my taste. So now I'm going to check if it's cake to my taste. So we are almost, but I'm still going to cover it to cake very well. This is after about 2 minutes, and yes, this is how I want it. Very scrambled. Now I'm going to stir fry. You see how scrambled it looks? You see it? Yeah, this is how I love my egg. So our scrambled egg is ready. I'm going to serve some to enjoy with ripe fried plantain. Now over to my brother recipe. That's the quantity of egg, and he's using bell pepper, the green and the red, plus scotch bonnet. He's using onions as well. He already cut it to his preferred shape. He's using diced meat, sunflower oil. Now he's going to break the eggs. So after whisking the eggs, he's going to place a pan on fire, leave it to hot for some sec, and pour in sunflower oil. This is the amount of sunflower oil he's using. He's going to leave it to hot, then sprinkled salt. So he's using only salt to fry his egg without no stock cube. Yeah, and that's the amount of salt he's using. The first thing going in is the bell peppers. Then he's going to give it a stir. Then he just added the scotch bonnet. Then stir. Now, after leaving the bell pepper and the scotch bonnet to fry for about 5 minutes, now he just added the diced onions. So after adding everything, is going to stir fry and leave it to fry for about 5 minutes. Yeah, this is after 5 minutes. So it's done to his taste. Now he's going to pour in the whisked egg. Now he lowered the gas to medium heat. Just going to leave it to heat before he stir. So like this is checking if it's cake to its taste, and it's going to flip it to the other side. Like guys, you guys have to let me know the recipe you guys prefer most. Like I said, this is better, and me, I'm claiming mine is better, so we are bringing it to public. So this is it. Our scrambled egg is almost ready. This looks so colorful and beautiful. I'm jealous already. So you see how scrambled it looks. You see how cakes it looks. This is how I love my eggs. So this is how I love it too. So I asked him who taught you this method. He said it's his wife. So kudos to my brother. And if you don't know my brother, his name is Nino Brown. Always supporting my platform, always supporting me. So a big shout out to him. And thank you all for watching to this extent. I so much appreciate. So this is how to make scrambled egg with vegetables. Okay, you know there is the plain scrambled egg, the one they normally eat at the hotel, but this is the one that I love. Okay, yeah, this is it. I'm going to serve some, and we are using this to eat fried plantain. You see it. So thank you guys for watching. I so much appreciate you guys. And if you've not followed my page, what are you waiting for? Follow, like, and share. We do mukbang, food recipe, makeup, etc. There is never a dull moment on my page. See you in my next video. Bye.